About exponential equation, let's practice. Question A, 3x and the other side you got 18. The main method about solving exponential equation is the both sides of the equation have to be the same base number. So in the right hand side, I will convert 81 become to 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3. This means 3 to power of 4. And then after this writing, you can see that both base number in both sides of this equation are the same. So just let the exponential number equal together, x equal to 4. Question B, the same thing you got here is 18 and here is 9. 18 equal to 9 square inside the bracket, and the other side you got x. And the right hand side is 9 to power of 1. So here you got 2x equal to 9, 1 in this one. And 2x equal to 1 is mean x equal to 1 over 2 here. X equal to 1 over 2 here. That is question B. About question C, a little bit difficult because it is a little one side 2 to power of 8 and the other side you can convert 256 become to the exponent with the base number is 2. 2 to power of 8. 2 to power of 8, so we got x equal to s here. Yeah, that's it. We finish this question. And the same idea with these 6 questions, and one by one we can finish all of them. Question D, you got problem about 625. That number equal to 5 to power of 4 here. 6 outside here is 5 to power of 1. And for h will be the power number of the first or the left hand side exponent. The other side will be 5 to power of 1. 4 times h equal to 1 and then h equal to 1 over 4. That is the first number. The next one you got 32 equal to 2 to power of 5. H here 8 equal to 2 to power of 3. And then you got 5 times h equal to 3. This means h equal to 3 over 5. Question F, you got here is 5 to power of h. And for this one, h to power 5 to power of 3. And now you got h equal to 3. Question G, 16 and 1024. Is that problem? Okay, 1024 and then here is 4. Yeah, I can convert them. 16 is mean 4 square. 16 is mean 4 square. 124 equal to 4 to power of 5. And 4 here, 2h will be here, 4 to power of 5. And the equation only 2h equal to 5. This means 5 over 2 will be the answer for this question. That's it. Question G, we finished. Question 8, how can I convert this one? Look at this. You got 60, this means 2 to power of 6. I convert this become the normal indices. This means 2 to power of negative 6. H to power of negative 8, 2 to power of negative 8. And here you got negative h here. This means negative h equal to negative 6. So 6 equal to 8 here. That's it. We finished question 1 and the last one is the same thing. 5 to power of negative 8 and 600. 600 is mean 5 to power 4. Yeah. 1 over 2 5 to power of 4. 5 to power of negative 8. 5 to power of negative 4 here. And then negative h equal to negative 4, h equal to 4 in this one. Okay, this is I. So we finish this question. The next one, you will have this kind of question. I think this one is a little bit harder, so very carefully about this kind of question. About the question A, you got this, different base number. So the first step, I have to convert all of them become the same base number. The first exponent is 5 to power 2n, but the second one is not 5, it is 25. So 5 square first, and inside the bracket 2n minus 1 will be outside. 625 here I can convert that become to 5 to power 4. So after this writing, you have here 5 2n multiply with 5 to power of 2 multiply 2n minus 1. The other side is 5 4. So for this kind of question, you got 2n plus 2 times 2n plus 1 because it is multiplication between two exponents, so you can use an addition about the power number. The other side will be 4. And after this writing, you just set up the equation between the power number here, this one, minus 1 and equal to 4 now. And this linear equation is very easy for solving this one now. And then you got 6x minus 2 equal to 4, so n equal to 1. Yeah, sorry, because I think this one is very easy for you, so I will do it very quickly. That is question A. Move to question B. I think that is very easy. The other side is 1. It means I want to convert 1 become to the exponent with base number of 4. I choose 4 because the left hand side have the power of base number 4. So here is 4 to power of 0. Because this one equal to 0, it means you will have the equation like here. 2n minus 1 equal to 0. So n equal to 1 over 2. Yeah. And then you got question C. Okay, a little harder for this one. 256. Okay, so this is 16 square. 16 square equal to 256. Okay, this means 4 to power 4. 4 to power of 4 here. And 2n minus 1 will be equal to 4 to power of minus 4. I change position from denominator become to numerator. Now you have only 2n minus 1 equal to negative 4. So 2n equal to negative 3. And then n equal to negative 3 over 2. Yeah, that's it. That is question C. About question D, a little bit difficult and very complicated when you want to start working out for this kind of question because this is division. The first thing I will change, I will convert 9 become to the base number of 3. It means 3 squared. I have to put it inside the bracket, and the outside you got 2 minus n here. 27 is quite easy. 3 to power of 3. It means q. So step by step, you don't need to do very quickly for this kind of question because it's very easy for make mistake for writing. 3 to power of n minus 2 over like this writing. Yeah, and take 2 multiply with 2 minus n outside, and this is will be 3 here. And this division, it means you can make the subtraction between two power number here. The first power number is n minus 2 and the second one is 2. 2 minus n here equal to 3 by this one. And then n minus 2 minus 4 plus 2n equal to 3. 3n minus 6 equal to 3. So n equal to 3. Yeah, n equal to 3 is the answer for question D. And in the next video, we continue about question E and F.